Hey guys, Matt here for Rakon Heli, and today I'm going to replace my bearing block and put my motor in. I've got the Rakon Heli motor mount. I'll be taking mine out. I was having some problems with mine, and then we'll also be putting on the anti-rotation guide and the canopy mounts, and then we'll go and put our rotor head in. So I've removed quite a few of the screws just to help speed up the process. I removed these last few ones. Okay, now I have access to my motor. So I'm going to push that out here. And up inside I can see my wires, and red goes to red, blue goes to white, and black goes to black. So I'll just go on and unplug that. Make sure you put your motor in with the wires facing towards the nose. I'll get one hole on this side lined up. Motors are making it the wires are making it kind of tight. Leave it loose so you can pivot this one. I'll go caddy corner from that one. So see here, I've got one on this side. Over here I'll do this one, and then it'll line up perfectly. And then once you get your main gear in there, you might have to loosen these up. If you see the holes are kind of oval, so you can scoot the motor back and forth. So you might have to loosen it up and press it up or push it back so it seats against the main gear properly. So we'll start with our bottom block. It'll be the one without the back. The top one will have the back, and that holds your anti-rotation guide. So you want to make sure the Rakon logo's up. Slide it in place. Leave that screw a little loose, and then come over here and do the front one. And then again, they should line up. So I've got this one started and this one started. Now my two open holes line up perfectly. So bearing block with the back on it goes on top again. Rakon Heli symbol on top. And we'll put our canopy mounts in there. And the Rakon includes a little bar to tighten these up. I'm just using a little servo rod. Okay, now before I put the servos on, I'm going to put this in because it'll make it a lot easier to get to it. So what I've done is there's a little washer that goes on top of the gear. So what I did is I taped it on and poked a hole through it, and makes holding that on there a lot easier. Then I'll go back through and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. You gotta line up your holes. There's a little hole in the shaft and a hole in the gear. Line those up. Just push my tape aside for right now. And then the last step is the anti-rotation guide. So make sure, put this rod in here first, or else you're going to have a heck of a time getting it in there. You just have to take the guide off anyways and put it back in. So get that lined up. Actually, I can drop this screw down in there before I even line it up. Hit on top of there. And that looks pretty nice. And then all you have to do is go and put your servos back on. Make sure you put them on the right way so that they travel in the right direction. Thank you very much.